Still pretty warm and still pretty muggy. We've got some cumulus clouds puffing up over downtown Lexington. And we've got a dew point in the low 70s, so that steamy air is in place, but there is change coming. I know I've been talking about it, and it may not feel that way, but it is. In fact, if you're E-Town, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's 72 degrees. The reason it's so cool there, and in Louisville, it's 73. It's raining. You got mid-80s into eastern Kentucky, 82 in Pikeville. In the heat index, at least for now, feels like it's in the low 90s due to that heat and, of course, the humidity combo. Here are the showers and storms. Pretty good slug of rain cruising north of E-Town, heading directly for Louisville, getting into Louisville right now. So it is wet out there, heavy rain. Also pretty good storm blowing up over Campbellsville. Not severe, but a lot of lightning and torrential rainfall. That's what we're going to be tracking, additional spotty coverage as we head into our eastern Kentucky counties. So there's not going to be a lot today, but where it comes down, it's going to come down. There are additional showers back into western Kentucky. Big picture, it's a mess. We've got a cold front at the surface. I was talking about this on Twitter this morning. Kind of looks like a play map from a football setup here. We've got a low kind of cutting around the back end. That, of course, is Gordon, a tropical system. That's late in the weekend. This cold front is more immediate. We've got this high off the East Coast, driving moisture into the Ohio Valley. So all those factors combine to make a pretty unsettled setup going into the week. First, we'll see these showers settling south. This is daytime heating-driven stuff on southerly winds, but the cold front gets in here tomorrow. And then the remnants of what was tropical storm Gordon, swamping parts of Arkansas, Missouri. They've got flash flood watches out for that and ongoing heavy rain issues down there. The future track shows the hit-or-miss nature of our showers and storms today. Tomorrow, as a cold front settles in, though, look what happens. We will have better chances at more widespread coverage, especially into the afternoon and evening, with that front more of a focus, torrential rainfall with those. And looking at the rainfall late in the weekend, I want to show you the difference between two of the big-time computer models here. This is the European model. It shows a band of heavy precipitation up into Indiana and Ohio. Pop over to the GFS, and it bumps that track farther south. Still some uncertainty in the track of the remnants of Gordon, but we are guaranteed to see the possibility of heavy rain late in the weekend. It's just where this axis of heaviest rain sets up that could be the biggest issue there, tracking the potential for some torrential rain at times. So we'll refine that as we get closer to the date. Here's the cloud cover associated with those showers. Behind that front there, of course, is that remnant of that tropical system. Florence has been torn up a little bit by southwesterly wind shear, but it's down to a Category 2, will likely strengthen again. And then you've got potential Helene, and the chances for formation on that one are getting a little better. The spaghetti plots, the tropical tracks, a lot of the major computer models show Florence eventually heading off towards Bermuda. This is how far out in the Atlantic we are, but by early next week, it may be close to or tracking a little farther south of Bermuda. So Florence does bear watching. Upper 80s, partly sunny, will cool down once we get some of these scattered showers and storms going. If you don't get hit with the rain, you'll get hit with the extra cloud cover. That'll put the brakes on the temperature. Tomorrow, showers and storms likely, scattered into the afternoon, heavy rain possible. A little bit of a dip Saturday, and then those rain chances ramp up again late in the weekend, early next week, and it looks like every single day on that 8 day we've got some sort of rain chance to you.